Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. eToro X, the specialized blockchain division of social trading platform eToro, has announced the launch of the first 5 of 120 ERC20 tokens. ERC20 is a technical standard that sets rules for tokens launched on the Ethereum or related blockchains. The new tokens include 2 eToro stablecoins and 3 crypto assets: Maker, Basic Attention Token, and Omisego. South Korea's Shinhan Bank will impose stricter rules and monitoring on bank accounts related to any crypto trading. A string of hacks and fraud related to crypto exchanges in the country was cited as the motivating factor. Fujitsu Laboratories has announced the development of a digital identity exchange technology. The blockchain-based tech makes it possible for individuals and businesses involved in online transactions to confirm the identity of the other parties. A 2019 global blockchain survey from Big Four accounting firm Deloitte reveals that 73% of Chinese firms believe that blockchain is a top 5 strategic priority for their nation. 53% of responding companies in the United States held the same view, which is an annual increase of 10%. And finally, free speech social media platform Gab.com has opened crowdfunding for the development and decentralization of its Twitter-like platform, Gab Social, and its new web browser, Dissenter. Gab's Dissenter browser is forked from Brave but allows commenting on any web page and uses Lightning Network BTC payments to reward users who view ads. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.